Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is going to be the last video of the week for STL for April 2023. The following week, hopefully we get some May ones that are coming up for it. And if you guys haven't subscribed, like, and share, check out our Patreon and Discord. And let's get into it. Glad, another D&D figures as well. I think this month is... looks like Aztecs. Yeah, that's fine. Aztecs or some South American ones, because you use a lot of these models in one of the islands of Forgotten Realms. I forgot what it's called, that has all the dinosaurs in there as well. So this gives a lot of the models that you probably need to do like a jungle theme for it. Print your monsters. Another good print as well for $7.90. And this one's Rock Monster from Magic Valley. So we have a lot of Earth Elementals. Looks like it. Looks like a Earth Elemental Raven, but I don't think it can fly. I'll not make that thing fly. I'll make that thing fucking crawl for it. You have your Earth Elemental for your bear. You have your Humanoid Riders. I think now this will probably be more for like the mud area of the primordial plane. But you can actually do wherever you want. Have someone that is, probably a Dow in the area in the Forgotten Realms that resurrecting these guys to do its biddings for it. But that is really up to you. Let your imagination run shine for it. Different weapons and stuff. But going against an Earth Elemental, like a Swarm, is probably be a little bit overkill. Unless you have a very high level party in your team. 3D Art Guy, another good one for Warhammer Proxy and D&D Proxy. Makes very good figures as well. That's going to be for next month. I am going to get my freaking Primarch finally for next month. Instead of paying $120 for a Primarch, this is probably what I want. Wall, Grimmark, Fantasy, WIP. Face. So it's April release. This is April release for it. You have the Immortal Flames, I believe is that what it's called, for it. I think this is Gideon. I forgot one of that collector from the Tau. I think this is the Lion. So I can make a Lion proxy. But I think I'm gonna make a Lion proxy for Dark Angel because it freaking got sold out. I don't want to pay no freaking scalper prices for the damn thing as well. So that's probably what's going to happen with me. I'm going to probably end up buying the stuff for it. Yeah, a lot of good Warhammer stuff, I would say. Freaking Buff Gideon for it. Look all happy. Is this collecting piece? So we got a little swarm of the collectors area for it for the top for the Necron. It kind of looks like a freaking Monopoly as a Necron. We'll hide your tank for food. Next one is Azurama, anime figure as well. We got the Max Out My Defense Girl, Maple Standard. Anime is a hit and miss. Even though it's MMORPG style anime, it was basically like a hit or miss. And we got Dark Magician Girls. She needs bigger boobas. I'm sorry. Bigger boobas, please. Oh well. So Dark Magician Girls on that. And I think the home turntable for that as well. Village of Hope minis. Update, little delay at an April list. We have guards, carriage, and that. This is the March list for that. 3D Hex. Another awesome minis as well. I think this March. They're doing the skies for April. This guy's probably won't get anything out till later on in town. So you're taking a break. Will not charge in the upcoming billing cycle on April 1st. Billing will resume on June 1st. So next month he's probably gonna take a break, but he's gotta finish the April one though. Gamescape, another terrain builds. Apple Theater. Actually, this will probably be a very good one. This is for this month. April full view pit. Yeah. So this is, he's printing all this in FDM. But if you do resin, probably look a lot more cleaner. Without a lot of the lines there in there. But you can do a lot with this as well. But you know, you gotta freaking eat a lot of resin. Like I said, hollow it all out. If you can hollow it, hollow it. Eat up less resin. Just make sure your supports are good when you do it, and just get all done for that as well. So that's what you guys get for this month. Cyber Forge of Geminis. Another proxies for Spelljammers and Warhammer. So we got some Warhammer from Grim Realm, Titan City Stories for Battles Tech, I think, Hyperfront. I don't know what the game that was from before. Infestation. That's probably good for another Warhammer proxies. If we use them as our infantry for the Imperium. And we have, but at least this is a good proxy, Terminator proxies, tell you the truth. You can, we're probably gonna have to see if their arms are dismobile and stuff like that. We can cut that sucker out. The tanks, they're pretty be proxied in as well. You have your ship for it. And you got the guy from Halo, forgot his name, General Kala, for that. Anime Girls STL. Let's see what's coming up for that. April. Okay, here is the winner. Let's start. Let's start late. Don't know what the hell this one is. Okay, Terry sexy version. I thought that was last month. That's March. Where's the April girl is locked? Why would you lock it? That's the thing. Why would you lock something like that? Because I won't buy it if I don't know what it looks like. I'm not going to pay $1 for it. I'm guessing that will be it. Let me see if we can go back to a couple of them. We got Moid, Sampler, My K. Nope. Primal Beast. They're doing the little Blue Eyes White Dragon one, Red Clay. Let's show. Oh, Crater. So those are the Witcher, Dante, old models. Okay, no. There's a lot of stuff that we try to go through and look at, but I just can't remember a lot of them. Well, I think that'll be it for today. Thank you guys watching. We'll start May next week. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.